Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by heating the air fryer to 400 degrees F so the exterior crisps immediately. While it heats, arrange nuggets in a single layer. You want hot air around each piece. If your basket is older or sticky, give it 1 to 2 quick oil spray pumps. This prevents sticking without soaking the food. Once the fryer reads 400 degrees F, insert the basket. Do not overcrowd. You're setting the conditions for fast Maillard browning, and you'll cook for 10 to 12 minutes total, but timing depends on nugget size and whether they're frozen. Start the timer and at roughly 5 to 6 minutes pause, pull the basket and flip each nugget or give the basket a firm shake so both sides get even heat exposure. Make sure to return it quickly so the temperature doesn't drop. Use an instant-read thermometer when possible. You're aiming for 165 degrees F in the center for safety and juiciness. You finish by letting the nuggets rest 1 minute in the basket. That brief pause evens out internal juices and keeps the crust crisp. If you find them soggy, boost the fryer to 425 degrees F and crisp for an extra 1 to 2 minutes while watching closely so they don't burn. If they brown too fast, lower the temp by 25 degrees F next time and lengthen cook time slightly. Use these tweaks to dial in perfect texture without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.